for coming, Sir Dan. Shout out BFF Rina from BFF Simply My Loves. Ayan, BFF BB Origin, mega love shout out. Mega love shout out BFF Mac, BFF Foodie Adventure, Mac Foodie Adventure, mega love shout out. Mega love shout out BFF KitKat ko, mega love shout out BFF Dan. Sir Dan, ayan, mega love shout out Pops Mix, Miss Heart, mega love shout out. Evelyn Arquate, mega love shout out. Baby Erlene Vlog, mega love shout out. Baby Emerald Channel, mega love shout out. Baby Abby Bosano, mega love shout out. Ayan, mega love shout out. Baby Joshua, mega love shout out. Miss Heart, mega love shout out. Sir Lazaro, mega love shout out. Baby Jenny, Baby Kaswerte, mega love shout out. Thank you so much sa inyong pagtambay. Ayan, mega love shout out. Baby Prina at Baby Totoy Bato. Mega love shoutout Joseph Estrada, mega love shoutout Baby Kit Kat ko, mega love shoutout Survivors 20, Survivors 20 and Violeta Bicoy, mega love shoutout sa inyo. Inaantok na ako. Matulog na BFF Simply My Loves. Mag-end na ako. Ayan, mega love shoutout BFF Marifi Di Castro. Ayan, mega love shoutout Marisa. Mega love shoutout BFF Pamilya J. BFF Simply My Loves, matulog ka na. BFF MM Lu, thank you so much, tambay. Thank you so much sa support. Ay, mega love shoutout Sir Kuya Umbaw, BFF Kuya Umbaw. BFF RCR, BFF Sir Lord. Mega love shoutout BFF Jenny, BFF Kaswerte. BFF Sir Riders Bong. Ayan, mega love shoutout. BFF, ayan, tambay lang here until end. Mag-end na ako BFF, matulog ka na. Salamat BFF sa tambay, sa support. BFF Simply My Loves. Thank you so much. Matulog ka na. Ayan BFF, si Riders Bong. Mega love shoutouts. Si Riders Couple, Ma'am Jane. Mega love shoutout. BFF Jam. BFF Jam. BFF Sir Alhaj. Mega love shoutout. Sir Masing. Mega love shoutout. Boss R. Mega love shoutout. Ayan. BFF Ronabi. Mega love shoutout. BFF Robis Word, mega love shout out. Ayan, mega love shout out baby Jenny, Zainab, mega love shout out. Baby Blinka Ashik, mega love shout out baby Purelyn Antonio, mega love shout out baby Agnes De Romancos, mega love shout out sa inyong lahat guys. Evelyn Arquate, mega love shout out. Cousin Gemma, mega love shout out. CH20, mega love shout out. Mamiat Life in Canada, mega love shout out. Thank you so much sa tambay. Ayan, Christine Joe, mega love shout out. Thank you sa tambay dyan. Ayan, thank you so much. Shine Angel, ayan. Jack Young, what's going on? What's this? Ayan, BPP Virgin, mega love shout out. Thanks so much. Okay guys, thank you so much sa lahat, Team BAP Panga Channel at sa ating mga bisita. Mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat guys. Thank you so much. God bless. Happy Friday. Mag-sit na kayong magsiset. Kaya pumunta kanina. Kalimutan ko. Yung mga salip viewers guys, mega love shoutout. Sino man yung nandyan. At yung mga pumunta kanina na hindi ko na nabanggit. Ayan, mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. Lahat natin BPP naman na-mention ko kasi nasa members ako nakatingin. Kahit wala kayo dito guys. Mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. Bye bye, happy Friday. Mag-end na tayo guys, kayo naman. Next.